Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing an absolute beast for creative professionals and AI-driven workflows, the MSI 2025 Creator 16 Copilot Laptop. Before diving in, make sure to check the link below to get this today at the best price available. Let's dive into the details and see if this machine deserves a spot in your creative arsenal. Personal computer emoji, design and build quality. MSI continues to impress with premium craftsmanship. The Creator 16 Copilot looks sleek and professional with a subtle brushed finish and a solid magnesium aluminum alloy chassis. Slim and light for a 16 inches powerhouse. Premium hinge and a flex-free deck. RGB keyboard that's both stylish and functional. Ample ports including USB-C, HDMI, SD card reader, and Wi-Fi 7 support. Perfect for creators who are always on the move but don't want to compromise on performance. Rainbow emoji. Display, WQXGA 240Hz brilliance. The 16-inch WQXGA, 2560 by 1600, panel is a standout. 240Hz refresh rate for ultra-smooth performance in both content creation and light gaming. 16:10 aspect ratio, ideal for multitasking and editing timelines. Sharp, color-accurate visuals with wide color gamut coverage, great for Adobe CC users. Thin bezels and impressive brightness. This is one of the best screens available in a creator-class laptop in 2025. Rocket emoji, performance, Ryzen AI plus RTX power. Under the hood, this laptop is built for AI-assisted creativity and multitasking at scale. AMD Ryzen AI 9365 processor, built on the latest Zen 5 architecture with powerful NPU acceleration. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060, studio-grade graphics power, perfect for rendering, AI image generation, and video editing. 32GB DDR5 RAM ensures nothing slows you down. Massive storage, 2TB NVMe plus 1TB NVMe, enough for huge 8K projects and asset libraries. Whether you're coding, designing, editing, or streaming, this machine handles it all effortlessly. Brain emoji, AI Studio and Copilot integration. One of the standout features is MSI's AI Studio powered by Copilot, integrated into Windows 11 Pro. Use voice commands and intelligent prompts to speed up your creative process. AI-assisted editing, idea generation, and productivity tools. Smart cooling and battery optimization using machine learning. Great synergy with generative AI tools like Photoshop AI, ChatGPT apps, and more. This is not just a laptop, it's a full AI workstation in your backpack. Battery emoji, battery life and cooling. Decent battery life for a creator laptop, especially with smart AI power management. MSI Cooler Boost Trinity Plus ensures efficient thermal performance even under load. Quiet operation during standard use, slightly audible under rendering loads, but very manageable. White check mark emoji. Pros blazing fast. AMD Ryzen AI 9 plus RTX 4060 combo. Gorgeous 240Hz WQXGA 1610 display. 3TB total storage and 32GB RAM for big creative workloads. AI Copilot and AI Studio features for next-gen productivity. Premium build, RGB keyboard, and future-proof connectivity. Cross-mark emoji, cons on the pricier side, but justified for what you get. RTX 4060 is great, but some power users may want a 4070 or 4080. AI features are still evolving, some workflows may not fully benefit yet. Bullseye emoji, final verdict, is it worth it? Absolutely, yes. If you're a digital content creator, developer, 3D artist, or AI enthusiast, the MSI 2025 Creator 16 Copilot delivers incredible value and future-ready performance. It's sleek, fast, AI smart, and beautifully designed for creatives who refuse to compromise. Star emoji, 9.3 out of 10, a top-tier creative laptop with real AI muscle. Speech bubble emoji, got questions or want to see benchmarks? Drop them below. And if you're thinking of leveling up your creative workflow, check the link below for pricing and deals.